Well, I was on eBay the other day, and I often look for cool vintage radios now and again. Not too many, obviously because of NiCad batteries and the usability, but I stumbled across this piece which kind of caught my eye, and obviously I ordered it. This is a Narco HT870 VHF airband transceiver from 1988. Pretty good condition for 1988 radio. And it came with its original rechargeable NiCad battery pack. I forget how many numbers of channels it has. I know it's got 10 memories. You can scan through them. Looks rather like the typical Yaesu or something of the day. It also came with quite a cool leather type case with was that a Rotocom? American viewers will know that. That's not a British thing, I don't think. Is that a Rotocom mount and a belt clip? And probably the coolest part is the whole headset. Now this is just like a cheap school type classroom headphones with a boom mic stuck on the end. At least that's what it really looks like and feels like, sounds like. And we got the whole hookup. So we've got the remote PTT, which is like a micro switch, and then the cables needed to plug it into the radio. Now obviously I'm not going to be tapping the PTT on this, but I decided to try and charge the original NiCad battery. And it works. So you've got that button which we're not going to press. There's a lock button here to lock the keypad. And a light button which doesn't do anything. You can go memory mode, or we can head out of memory mode and type in frequencies, pressing that. Obviously this isn't 8.33, this is 25k steps, but there's still enough to listen to. I'm surprised we heard radio traffic. I'm surprised we're hearing radio traffic on it actually, because this antenna isn't very good. I have an ICOM IC A6E, which... Brilliant! It works for the video, nice. The antenna is a lot better on the ICOM. Why would I want an aircraft transceiver? Well, look at it. It looks cool. It's going to sit on the shelf. Oh yeah, so to record memories, you press that down, set. You've got your frequency in, and then you can go memory write 5. Get out of memory mode. Otherwise, you press memory write, and it doesn't do anything. Not quite sure what OBS and BRG means. There's also a button for that there. And that is to select whether you want internal mic and speaker, internal and external only. At the top you've got your headset connector, the charge port, which I made a lead up for. And there we are. No one has documented this transceiver on YouTube, so I am the first and only. Narco HT870. That's just a quick look at that. Thank you very much.